Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a post that shows up on your feed on Threads app. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on the three dots icon of the post you want to report. Next, select the report button. After that, select why you want to report the post. And then tap on the next button. And that's it. This is how you can report a post on Threads app. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.